Hello everybody, welcome back to the another video about smooth low portion. Guys, in a right now situation, smooth low portion is a unique crypto which changes is positive and that is a profitable coin in the market. Only and only SLP coin in the market, guys. So in this video I'm talking about the smooth low portion latest update. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button right now. I hope you all subscribe my channel. Guys, the current live price of smooth low portion is about 0.091624 USD dollar. That is the live and latest price of smooth low portion. And furthermore, guys, if we talk about the price changes of smooth low portion, so now the last 1 hour changes is positive 5.83%. Last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the smooth low portion. SLP coin is completely negative. The price is very badly decreased in a previous time situation, especially in the last 1 week. But only the last 1 hour update is positive. That's mean that from 60 minutes the price start pump in. I hope, guys, I'm sure about that the last 60-minute pump is for a long time pump. Just look here, if we zoom the price chart, so you can see here, guys, now from this point they start pumping. In possibilities, I'm not sure about that, but a lot of possibilities, 70-80% possibilities that smooth low portion continue this jump. Other side, if you look the price update, the price chart of SLP coin, so you can see here from the last 60 days, last 30 days, the price of smooth low portion is completely it decreased. Gradually the price falls down, falls down, falls down. And if you look the changes, so negative 48.54% changes occur in the smooth low portion negative, and the highest price is about 0.28545 USD dollar. That is the highest price. So guys, on the basis of currently update, I recommend for all of you to please hold, never decide to sell, because just imagine if you decide to sell, so that's clear, because the changes is in negative, that's clear that you are in the loss. Other side, if you decide to hold, so possibilities, guys, that in the future the price will pump and you get profit. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe now for more news and updates videos.